Do your plants keep dying, even though you follow every YouTube tutorial? You're not alone. Every gardener makes mistakes at first. But the good news, you can fix them today. In this video, I'll show you 10 beginner gardening mistakes that could be holding your plants back, and how to avoid them like a pro. Mistake number 1, planting in the wrong location. Every plant has its sunlight needs. Some crave full sun, others prefer shade. Planting tomatoes in a dark corner? They'll never thrive. Always read plant tags and observe how sunlight moves across your garden before planting. Tip: 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. That's ideal for most veggies. Number 2, overwatering or underwatering. Watering too much drowns roots. Too little leaves them thirsty. Stick your finger 2 inches into the soil. If it's dry, it's time to water. Remember, consistency is key. Mistake number 3, ignoring soil quality. You can't grow healthy plants in unhealthy soil. Soil is your garden's foundation. Add organic matter, compost, aged manure or mulch to keep your soil rich, moist, and alive. Mistake number 4, planting too close together. More plants doesn't mean more harvest. Crowding reduces airflow and invites pests. Always follow spacing guides. Your plants need room to breathe, stretch, and grow. Mistake number 5, ignoring companion planting. Some plants are friends, others not so much. Planting incompatible crops can stunt growth. On screen, we show you quick companion planting rules. For example, tomatoes love basil, but not corn. Learn who plays nice together. Mistake number 6, not mulching. Bare soil is like an open wound. Without mulch, water evaporates faster and weeds take over. A 2-inch layer of mulch locks in moisture and keeps your garden tidy. Mistake number 7, skipping fertilization. Even the best soil loses nutrients over time. Skipping fertilizer leads to weak, pale plants. Feed your plants every few weeks with compost, worm castings, or slow-release fertilizer. Mistake number 8, ignoring pests and diseases. See a few bugs? Don't ignore them. Pests multiply fast and can wipe out your plants overnight. Inspect your plants regularly. Use organic pest control and prune infected parts immediately. Mistake number 9, forgetting to rotate crops. Planting the same crop into the same spot every year drains nutrients and invites pests. Rotate families yearly. It keeps your soil healthy and pest cycles broken. Mistake number 10, giving up too soon. The biggest mistake, giving up too early. Gardening takes patience. Plants grow, and so will you. Learn from your failures. Each mistake is a seed for future success. Let's recap the 10 mistakes to avoid. 1. Wrong location. 2. Over-underwatering. 3. Poor soil. 4. Crowding. 5. Bad companions. 6. No mulch. 7. No fertilizer. 8. Ignoring pests. 9. No crop rotation. Giving up too soon. Start small. Observe. Adjust. And most importantly, enjoy every moment in your garden. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardeners. Don't forget to subscribe for more garden tips, composting guides, and plant care hacks.